Hi friends, today I am showing how to unpublish or remove your app in your Play console and Play Store. Currently, our company apps have four apps there in Figotalk, and Figotalk is two apps, and India West is unpublished there, and Rainbow Inch is already production is running condition, and we have want to remove the Figotalk and first app. First click your app, and after this is for new console settings. Before so many persons are making the video in older settings, you will try this 100% working, and select the Figotal and test and release there. You will click test and release, and you will showing the options in left side, and go to production. Oh no, not the protection, and go to the advanced settings. Click the advanced settings, and app availability is there, and go to unpublish, and you have one time you have unpublished there, your app is not showing in Play Store. After you need to the publish on return to same settings and publish them, and unpublish. New users would not able to find and install your app. Existing users will still be available find it and receive updates. This usually happens within 1 hour, but can take longer. Okay, unpublish. Yeah, my app is unpublished there, and now another option is there, and delete this app also available. This app is be removed from Play, Google Play, and will lose access all user data. Mm, once deleted, this app is not eligible for because my app is currently not eligible for deletion. I have tried to the another app. I have already four apps there, and go to all apps. Have unpublished in starting figure talk, and I am not completed in India. Yes, I have tried to delete this app, and test and release, and go to publish. This also no delete option. You will check how to unpublish, then uh, this video, share your friends this video for useful, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share our YouTube channel link for your friends. Thank you for watching Palakkad Tamila. Any if you have any Google console, any Play Store related doubts there, you will comment. I will help you. Subscribe my YouTube channel.